Okay, I'm gonna do a more in-depth video on this clock with some history of the Kienzle clock company too, since people like that type of thing. As I covered in a previous video, this is a Kienzle Art Deco Bauhaus style. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, please excuse me, as I'm not the most fluent German person ever. Anyway, and now I shall cover some of the history of Kienzle. The Kienzle Clock Company was founded in 1822 in Schwenningen, Germany. It is one of the oldest and most iconic German horological firms, renowned for early mass production of affordable pendulum clocks and luxury car dashboard timepieces. It became a global leader in timekeeping innovation. The brand's evolution spans four major eras: founding and mass production from 1822 to 1900. The origins: master clockmaker Johannes Schlinkler started crafting wooden pendulum and wall clocks using traditional Black Forest techniques. Rebranding in 1883, Jacob Kienzle married into the Schlinkler family and took the helm, renaming the business Schlinkler and Kienzle. Industrialization: Kienzle embraced the American system of mechanized manufacturing. And that clock's fixing to chime, so I'm going to shut up for a second. Any time now. If I'd have known that, I kept going a little longer. And now back to reading. It says, by utilizing standardized interchangeable parts, the company aggressively dropped production cost and expanded output. Jacob became sole owner in 1897 and shortened the name to Kienzle. And now on to early 20th century expansion from 1900 to 1940. Automobile and aviation clocks. By the 1910s, Kienzle dashboards were standard in luxury vehicles like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. In 1932, Kienzle introduced legendary 8-day aviation clocks used in aircraft. And now, well, actually that's all I'm going to cover. The later history is not near as interesting. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and leave any questions and comments that you may have. See y'all later.